Jim Romer, Dr. Weather, incredible wild weather from coast to coast across the United States, and some drought easing rains in parts of Europe and Russia the next 2 weeks, helping to pressure wheat prices recently. Of course, a stronger dollar as well, and moisture coming to the plains. What is the NAO index? Look at the storm moving into California, one after another, feet of snow, breaking the multi-level drought. Well, the NAO index first started, which I predicted about 2 weeks ago, because of stratospheric warming here, about 10 to 20 miles up in space. Notice that warming in red over the Arctic Circle. In response to that, we are having several teleconnections change, which means a very cold, snowy March. Notice this, negative WPO, a huge ridge, warm ridge over to the northwest of Alaska. Negative NAO, a block over Greenland. The result, cold and snowy weather from coast to coast, actually snowing in New York City this week, and a possible major storm for the East Coast by Friday. Here's the loop of some computer models showing a storm in the southeast there in green and red, with more tornado severe weather on Thursday and Friday in the south, and then snow in blue over New England. Could be up to a foot north of New York City by Friday. Look at the blue out west in California. Great skiing, and unfortunately a lot of flooding though for vineyards and millions of folks. Actually, some people certainly need the rainfall after this drought. What is the indication? What does the future hold for the grain market when you see this negative NAO, this kind of colder March pattern, this loop in the jet stream again, brought on by these warm blocks, the negative WPO over to the northwest of Alaska and the warm block over Greenland? That could suggest improved weather for the wheat growing areas. One reason why wheat prices broke here earlier in the week. When you have a negative NAO index like we have in February and March, tends to be wet in the spring over parts of the Corn Belt there in blue and the Southwest Plains. That could be good news, certainly for crops. However, look what happens in July sometimes when you have that negative NAO in February and March. It could still be a hot summer. Possibly. So a lot of fireworks still possible this spring and summer in the grain market. The hot summer combined with a cool March has probably set a floor in natural gas prices, but still we have very, very large stocks. All in all, we suggest you subscribe to our newsletter, Weather Wealth, get a 2-week free trial period. What will the NAO and also negative WPO index suggest for coffee prices, grain prices, South American weather? We look at teleconnections thousands of miles away. We've been doing this for farmers and traders for 38 years. We invite you to a 2-week free trial period of the Weather Wealth and learn how to use ETFs, options, and futures in various commodities. Weather has a powerful influence in many markets around the world, and that's what we've been doing for most of our clients for years. Thank you.